What's good, Flex fam? I'm back with another video. I hope you're doing well. And first of all, thank you for 30 subscribers. Man, I'm blessed. I was inactive, I'm sorry for that. Had exams and was on vacation, stuff like that. But I managed to cop some things and I thought, okay, then I do a video about it. That takes not that much time and I planned new videos. Next week, I guess, will the second part of this video release, where I got something very hyped. One hint for you, it's a collab between Nike and kind of a plant. It's a shoe, and if you guessed it right, then write it in the comments if you know what I'm talking about, and I will shout you out in the next video if you guessed this right. The first comment will win. So let's jump right into the video. I have two pieces that I want to show you and let's go, I guess. So first of all, we have a Supreme bag right here, and this was in one of my earlier videos previewed. I wanted a hoodie. I'm in love with hoodies. I mean, here's my other Supreme hoodie. A dream from me would be a Balenciaga hoodie, but that's far away. First of all, I copped this hoodie last week. It wasn't sold out immediately in medium. It was. I copped medium manual and it worked. So first of all, Supreme sent us 3 stickers, which is kind of uncommon. First of all, we have this one right here. I don't know the name of the brand. They collabed last week, or was it 2 weeks before, which had the weird logos right there. Man, nothing of that sold out immediately. It was a shame. And then we have the classic Supreme box logo stickers right here. So that's from it. And then we have the hoodie. 3, 2, 1. It's the Supreme box logo, Blockbuster hoodie in this natural colorway with the red Supreme 2K19 right there. To show you a bit better, I will show some B-rolls in a second, but guys, this hoodie, this color, this new natural colorway from Supreme is my favorite colorway of all time. On the pictures, it doesn't look the same as in real life. It's blowing my mind, and now some B-rolls. Let's go. And then we have the second box right here. Had to put a hoodie on, now my favorite hoodie, and let's go to the shoe. This shoe was released, I guess, a month. I planned to make a video only on the shoe, but then I delayed it and delayed it and delayed it, and now it's not that important of a shoe anymore. It's an Air Max 97, I guess, yeah. 97. It's a bit confusing for me, the 97 and the 98. I'm not into that. It's my first 97 and it's from the Nike On Air collection. I got lucky and I thought this shoe had much more of a resale, but it didn't. Now it's going for around 200 bucks, I guess. And yeah, first of all, we have the little card right here, which hints the shoe. It's the soil colorway, especially now. No, it's not here. I don't know the name of the designer now, but then we have this card right here. Pretty cool. It's a postcard right there. And then we have this special paper right here, which says New York City, London, Paris, Tokyo, and soil. The Shanghai one was pretty nice, and then we have this shoe right here. Man, I'm not that huge of a fan of the 97, but bro, this shoe, it's killing me. You can see the details right here, and it looks so much nice in person. I don't know what this is, maybe a factory flaw, but never worn the shoe. yeah, I will wear it, I will not sell it, and really like it. Now some B-rolls, let's go. So, back at the spot, I hope you like the B-rolls. Man, these things are pretty cool, but next week will be pretty hyped. The shoe is hyped, and then I got the Jordan to show, which is not hyped, but I apparently love the shoe. Hope the colorway looks nice in real life. And yeah, be excited what's coming. I will be active. I will do a video like 1 or 2 times a week. I try. I cannot promise, but I try. And again, thank you for your support, guys. Thank you for every comment, for every like, for every subscriber, for every viewer. Really appreciate it. And now have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye.